Welcome back to Marketing Strategies for Personal Trainers. I'm Erin Kendall. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can follow along on how you're going to market your personal training business. Today we're talking all about how to get more personal training clients. Assuming that you have had some personal training clients or current personal training clients, we're going to start with those. So make a list of all of the clients that you've had in the past and your current clients. Of those, which ones got lasting results, which ones were you excited to go see, and which ones were the most consistent for you? Those three criteria are going to help you narrow in on your ideal client and how you're going to get more of those. So once you've highlighted hopefully at least a couple or a few of those clients that were really special, really memorable, you helped get results, they were excited to come see you, they didn't cancel very often, you were excited to go see them, we're gonna narrow in on those. Okay, so from there, I want you to list who those people are. What are their demographics? How old are they? Where are they from? What is their income level? What is their situation? Then I want you to list of those clients, where did they hear about you? And if you don't know, you can ask them. Shoot them an email, a text, ask them at your next session, whatever it might be. But you should know where your clients hear about you. That should be one of your first questions that you ask when somebody calls you is, how did you hear about me? So once you know where those people came from, you want to find out why they hired you. So how did they make the decision to hire you? Did they already know that they were gonna hire you when they called you? Were they interviewing personal trainers? Hopefully, they already knew they were gonna hire you when they called you. That's the goal here. We wanna market your business in such a way that when clients call you, they are already sold. You have to do no selling. Doesn't that sound really exciting? I know. Okay, so from there, we're gonna go into what kind of results they were looking for and what kind of results they got. They don't have to be the same thing. They might want one thing, but they need something different, but they just don't know it. So list all of those things, narrow in on who your personal training client is that you want more of, where did they find out about you, how did they decide to hire you, and finally, what kind of results did they look for and what kind of results did they get? Now I want you to put all of that together and I want you to figure out what language those ideal clients are using when they call you, when they talk about fitness. When you meet them, are they excited to see you and work out? Are they excited to see you but they're not excited to work out? What is it? Do they feel like they have to rush there because they have so many things going on in their lives, like so many of us do, and this is the only reason why they're exercising is because you're meeting them there? What is it that they talk about when the topic of fitness comes up? And this is how we're going to market and attract your ideal client so you don't have to sell so much and you can start getting phone calls coming into you. So take that language, put it in all of your free listings, your Yelp listing, your Idea Fitness listing, on your website, and start talking in a way that's going to resonate, really, really resonate with your ideal client. Go ahead and grab the workbook to help you organize all of your thoughts and start marketing your personal training business. Go to erinkendallfitness.com/biz and you can download your workbook today. Thanks for joining me.